Google Gemini new free updates are insane. Google just dropped 7 massive updates to Gemini in one single week. 7, and nobody is talking about it. Today, I am going to show you every single one of them. One of these updates literally turns your notes into a movie, like an actual cinematic video from your documents for free. Another one turns Google search into a full workspace where you can plan, write, and code. And there is a brand new Gemini model that is insanely fast. We are talking 2.5 times faster than before. This is the biggest week Google has ever had for AI. And if you are not paying attention right now, you are going to fall behind. Let me break it all down. So let's start with the first update. Google just released something called Gemini 3.1 Flashlight. Now, I know that name sounds complicated. It is not. Here is what it actually means. Google built the fastest and most efficient version of Gemini ever. This thing responds 2.5 times faster than the previous version, and it generates output 45% quicker. So if you are building anything with AI, chatbots, content tools, translation apps, anything, this model lets you do it way faster. But here is the part that is really cool. You can actually choose how hard the model thinks. Like you can set it to minimal thinking for simple stuff, medium thinking for normal tasks, or high thinking when you need it to really figure something out. So you are in full control. You pick the speed, you pick the intelligence level, and it still handles text, images, video, and audio. This is not some watered down model. It is legit powerful. It just happens to also be super fast. If you are a developer or you are building AI tools for your business, this is a game changer. Now, here is where things get absolutely wild. Update number 2, NotebookLM can now create cinematic videos from your documents. I am not joking. You upload your notes, your research, your articles, whatever you have, and NotebookLM turns it into an actual animated explainer video, like a mini documentary. Before this update, NotebookLM could make basic narrated slideshows. Cool, but nothing crazy. Now it uses 3 different AI models working together. Gemini handles the storytelling and the narrative. Another model generates the images, and Veo 3 handles the actual video creation. So Gemini is literally acting like a movie director. It decides the story structure, it picks the visuals, it controls the pacing, it even chooses the narration style, and then it reviews its own work and fixes anything that looks off. Think about what this means for you. You have a research paper, upload it, you get a video, you have meeting notes, upload them, you get a video, you are a student, upload your study guide, you get a video. This is insane for content creators, educators, researchers, literally anyone who has information they want to turn into something visual. Right now, this is available to Google AI Ultra subscribers. But the fact that this even exists is mind-blowing. Hey, if we have not met already, I am the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he is helping clients get more leads and customers, I am here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every single comment, so make sure you drop a comment below and let him know what you think about these Gemini updates. All right, let us keep going because update number 3 is also a visual one. NotebookLM now has 10 custom styles for infographics. So not only can it make videos, it can also turn your complex information into beautiful infographics with one click. Comparison charts, timelines, flow diagrams, visual summaries, all generated automatically. And you get to pick from 10 different design styles. So if you are making a presentation, creating social media content, or just trying to understand something complicated, you can turn it into a visual in seconds. NotebookLM is not just a note-taking tool anymore. It is becoming a full research to visual content machine. You put information in, you get beautiful content out, simple as that. Now, update number 4 is one that I think is going to change how millions of people use Google every single day. Google just added something called Canvas inside AI mode in Google search. Let me explain what that means. You know how right now when you search something on Google, you get links and maybe an AI summary at the top. Well, now there is a workspace panel built right into search. It's called Canvas, and inside it, you can organize plans. You can draft content, you can build coding tools, you can edit projects, all without leaving Google search. Think about that for a second. You search for something, the AI gives you an answer, and then right there in the same window, you can start working on it. You do not need to open Google Docs. You do not need to switch to another app. It is all right there. This is like Google Docs and a coding workspace and an AI assistant all merged into one thing inside search. Right now, it's only available in the US. But when this rolls out everywhere, it is going to completely change how people work. And Google search is not just a search engine anymore. it is becoming an AI operating system. Now, if you are watching this and thinking, wow, I need to start using AI to actually grow my business, I want to tell you about something. I built a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to learn how to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. And with updates like these Gemini features dropping every single week, you need a place where you can actually learn how to use them. Inside the boardroom, we break down exactly how to apply tools like Google, Gemini, NotebookLM, and all of these AI systems to your actual business. So if you want to stay ahead and actually use this stuff, check the link in the description for the AI Profit Boardroom. All right, back to the updates. Number 5, Google released something called Android Dev Bench. This one is for the developers out there. It is basically a leaderboard that lets developers test how good different AI models are at coding for Android. So you can compare models side by side, see which one writes better code, find weaknesses, and pick the best model for your app. If you are building Android apps, this is huge. It is like having a testing lab where you can put every AI model through its paces before you commit to using one. Google wants developers building better apps with AI, and this tool makes that way easier. Update number 6 is a little different. It is more on the research and safety side. Google created something called Ground Source. It is an AI-powered data set designed to help communities prepare for flash floods. The system collects environmental data and helps AI models predict flooding, analyze patterns, and improve disaster response. This is part of Google's bigger push to use AI for climate and safety. It is not as flashy as the other updates, but it matters. AI is not just about making content and building apps. It can literally save lives, and Google is investing in that. And finally, update number 7, Google upgraded their AI design tool called Stitch with Gemini 3.1 Pro. Stitch helps designers work with large design systems. Think of it like having an AI assistant that understands your entire brand, your colors, your fonts, your layouts, everything. And now with Gemini 3.1 Pro powering it, the reasoning is better, the design consistency is better, the attention to detail is better. If you are a product designer, a UX team, or anyone working with design systems, this upgrade means the AI can now handle the bigger and more complex projects while keeping everything on brand. So that is 7 updates in 1 week. Let me zoom out for a second and tell you why this matters. Google is not just building a chatbot anymore. They're turning every single Google product into an AI-powered system. Search is becoming a workspace. NotebookLM is becoming a video production studio. Gemini models are getting faster and smarter. Developer tools are getting AI leaderboards. The people who learn how to use this stuff early are going to have a massive advantage. So here's what I want you to do. First, go try these tools. Go to NotebookLM and upload some notes. See what it creates. Go play with AI mode in Google search if you are in the US. Check out the new Gemini models in AI Studio. Actually get your hands on this stuff. Second, if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like the ones I just showed you, join the AI Success Lab. It is our free AI community. The link is in the comments and the description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And if you are serious about scaling your business with AI, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you want to be. We show you exactly how to automate your workflows, get more customers, and use tools like Google Gemini to save hundreds of hours. Every single week, we're breaking down updates just like these and showing you how to actually apply them. The link is in the description. Don't drop a comment below and tell me which of these 7 updates blew your mind the most. Julian reads every single one. I will see you in the next video.